live हूँ मैं. Sorry guys, the connection was disturbed. You guys are there with me? I'll just wait for some time for people to join in. Hi Kanika. Kanika, can you please share the video so that people know that I'm back here again? Hi Iti, Sugandhi, Anjali. Okay guys, I'll just wait for another minute. So did you see the box? This is the box which we have created out of the die. This is the die. This is again an A4 size die. It will work in the bigger size machines like the Big Shot or Gemini. Can I adjust the camera? What do I need to do? Is it okay now? I guess so. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, so this is the box. This is a very big size box. It is approximately 4.5 by, this is 3, this is 3 again, this is 3.5 I guess. So pretty good size. Like I'll show you what I can put in here. This is my blending tool and I'm just putting it, and it is coming very well. I think I can fit in approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 or 9 I can easily fit in here. So it is a very good size box and pretty reasonably priced as well. But there is a flaw. If it does not bother you, then only place an order for this die. This is the flaw. This is the flap of this box does not match together. This is the only flaw. Okay. Chalo. So now let's move on to the inspirations. Who all want to see the inspirations now? Let's start. I'll just move all the things from here so that my way is not blocked by anything. Just give me a moment, guys. Oh. Okay, so the first inspiration this is the what die? I'll show it to you later. Chalo. Okay, this is the die I have made using this die. I guess it is elegant swirl lace die. It is from a prior release. This is the belly band I created, and look at this. It is so simple yet elegant envelope. I have not done much on this, just added a few pearls and everything, and then I made a belly button and I overlapped it. If you want to do it, you can do it. If you don't want to do it, you can leave it like this only. Does not make a difference. But this is the inspiration. Okay. First inspiration. Second comes, this is the die Elegant Filigree. As you all seen this one, I have used it on the corner and then I have made an envelope out of this. I have used my critter sheets, my beautiful critter sheets. These are from January release. I was not able to show the this release is what do you call that, inspirations earlier. So here I am now, because I told you the reason why I could not work from the with all that. So this is the second envelope which I made. And one more thing, yeah, I wanted to announce my online course is on the way. So these inspirations what you're seeing, if you want to learn them, please do join me. The online course will have approximately 10 projects this time. Last time we did 6, this time we are doing 10. So guys, brace yourselves. It will be really worth it. And there will be a few designs which will be, you know, like this one. Look at this. How pretty is this? This is another envelope which I created. This is another one. Some of the designs of the critter sheets will be exclusive for my online course. I will not be launching them soon here on the website. They will be exclusive to my students and their students. They can buy any number of sheets anytime, as many times they want with this from me, but those who have joined the course, not to the general public. This is another inspiration. I have used the iron gate die in the background, and this is the top part. This we had done last time, but many of you asked me about this die and I was like, nah, this die is not here right now, and because this is the reason why I had given this die to my students who had joined the course with me. So this is the die. Oops, light. Just give me a moment, guys. The light somehow has stopped. Okay. Yeah, this is a very simple and elegant plain envelope. I have not done anything here. This is another one. These are all part of the course, and the course is still not ready because I want to do 10 projects and I don't think I have 10 right now. This is another one. Yes, Anirudh, I will include all these projects in my upcoming course for sure. And there is, look at this. I have created a basket using my dies and my critter sheets. I think I need to, lift the camera a little to show you better. Can you see this? This basket I have made. It's very beautiful. It is not showing properly on the camera. I hope it is visible now. It's a very beautiful basket. This is what I have made. This is another project. This is also the part of the course. And look at this. This is a box which I have made. It's a very sturdy box. Pretty sturdy. And I have used all the papers which I have used here are either specialty papers by DCAM or the pearl papers, metallic papers. These are all available on the website. Hi Anita. So as you can see, these sheets are exclusive to my students. I will not be launching these sheets. This is another box. This is the gable box. And this is the flaw. Only this part is the flaw. Nothing more is the flaw. सिर्फ इतना सा flaw है इसमें. But I was very embarrassed because I did a blunder. I guess because I created 100 dies with this blunder. It is not me. I am really sorry. But it happened. I think we all have our learning processes. I have used the iron gate die here. Look how pretty it looks. So this is my entire collection for today. And yes, for my course, the course will be commenced after some time. I think after 31st. I will be doing it in April only, first week of April. I will be making the kits. Kits will be extra. The course will be for 3,000 rupees. You guys can enroll for the course. And the kit, I will tell you later how much the kit will cost, because I have not worked for the prints. And as many of my students who had joined me earlier, they know that at a point I make my critter sheets, but I include a lot of flowers and foliage and different kinds of things. But when I am creating a course, the things I provide you in those sheets are exactly what we are using. So there is no wastage, zero wastage. So guys, this will be the course will be starting in April. You can start the registrations now. You can see the video. This video thankfully is now separate because of the loss of connection. So all the projects are there in this video. You can enroll anytime you like. I will be leaving all the details and everything in a post separately by tomorrow for the course. But the kit, give me some time, because printing is also not possible right now, and nothing is possible at the moment because of the lockdown. Everything is shut down, and I really do not want to get out of the house and in this situation. But trust me on this, you will really enjoy the course. 10 projects for 3,000 rupees, guys. It is 300 rupees a project. Nothing, peanuts. I want a lot of participation this time, much more than earlier. I'm looking forward to it, and sheets and everything and the details I will provide you shortly. But the projects, I guess you have seen. I'll just give you a quick glimpse again. Project 1, 2, this we have already done. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I guess there are more than 10. 10. These are 10. And I have a basket also. Maybe I'll just switch down 1 or 2 projects which are simpler, and add the basket for sure. I guess you will really enjoy making this. So these are my final projects. These are the inspirations basically right now. Oh, I forgot one more thing. I'm really sorry. This is a project of the course. I'm sorry. I forgot this completely. This is the chocolate box which I have created, chocolate envelope box. Look at this. And you can easily put in a note also here. This is a chocolate, and with this you can add a currency note साथ में. And this is a magnetic closure. Another, I can add a lot of these are 12 now. I can add all of these, but then the course fee will really hike, because no Isha, it is not with material. These are 12 projects now. If you want me to do 12 projects, the course fee will be 3,500. Then I'm sorry, I can't include everything in 3,000 rupees. I will decide 10 projects. For sure I will be doing all the boxes. I can guarantee you for this, but envelopes I'll cut down a little. Baskets and boxes I will do for sure. So last but not the least, this is the project, and it's a very beautiful chocolate. My daughter has been eyeing on this chocolate for a long time. I hope she gets it today. I was saving it for the video. So this is it. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you like the inspirations. How pretty is this looking? Yeah, वैसे ही बिना कुछ करे, सिर्फ I guess I'll add a sentiment over this and it is good to go. What do you say, guys? Material will be in offer. After my material, generally, you know, the kit which I create is always on discounted price. Normally, last time also, when the kit price was approximately 700 rupees, and it was like if I calculated the retail price, it was coming for around 1000 rupees, 900 or 1000 rupees. So it is always value for money. If you join the course, you will get a lot of and these sheets, these are not available on the website. These won't be available on website for another month or two. I will not be disclosing these sheets because I want to give my students at least a benefit of